2000 milliamp hour. You would have seen these on old Tamiya's and the like, be at a decent battery. Also comes with the guide, user manual. I'm not going to open this one as this one will go on sale. And a decent, right, yeah, it's a pretty standard dumbbell RC style remote. It's got all the settings you're going to want to change on a crawler. No thrills, but it does the job. It certainly does the job, and I've had quite a bit of fun just demoing this one. Taking the top off. In this one, we've added a Velocity Cell 5000 milliamp hour 2S battery. This gives it quite a lot of longevity in terms of battery life, and it gives it a tiny bit more power as it's a higher discharge rate, can handle, has a 15 kilogram steering servo mounted on the front axle, which is the perfect place on a crawler. The battery and all the weight is loaded to the front, which is again what you want on a crawler, and sealed receiver unit and waterproof ESC, so you should be able to drive this thing through puddles if you really wanted to. As you can see, the body rolls pretty good, so it's close to a competition style crawler, this one. Already had an hour, so it's got a bit of grass in it. And there's your transformer sign on the side of the frame. Overall, really good quality, and for the money, you are not going to get anything better. It's 1/10 scale, so you can't quite see in the video how large it is, but it is very long. And there's only really one flaw that we found with it, and that's the body clipping the tires. Again, that's the standard battery that comes with it. We do sell the Velocity Cell batteries that you can buy alongside it if you want to have extra batteries. These are the body post mounts that can be raised up and down. I think that's quite important to shout out, that whilst the body does clip the wheels, you can raise it up. I'll do a bit of a demo here of what I mean by the body clipping. So as you can see, it clips on the body. Now what you could do is you can either raise it up, or you can cut across the wheel arches to increase the clearance so that the wheels do not clip. It only clips a tiny bit, and it didn't actually change what it could do. I just found the noise to be a little bit annoying, but for this price, you're never gonna get anything that's entirely perfect, and everything else on this is like top notch, really good quality. So definitely highly recommended. Let's go and check it out outside.